Wow!
Today was great.
Yes!
What is that? Oh no, my car. Stop! Stop!
Hello?
Hey you, my car have been stolen. I need your help.
Okay! Hey! Hey!
Hey, stop now. Stop.
Here! Here!
We lost a wheel.
Hello! What's up?
Hey you, help me.
Okay! Hello! What's up? Okay! Oh no! This doesn't fit! All right! Okay, done!
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Oh no!
Okay. Hello, we need support.
Hey! Hey!
Oh no!
It's not done. I have to use the rope to pull it up.
Ah!
Okay, we'll pull him and the car up.
Yes, sir!
Okay, are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. Okay, now it's the car's turn.
Okay! Gotta fix it! Oh, yeah! Bye-bye!
Whoa!
Wow, a fruit stall is sold here.
Oh, thank you!
Hey! Hey! La-la-la-la-la-la-la.
Oh,
Hello!
what is he planning to do? Something bad is about to happen. Oh no, he's looking at the car. He's approaching the car. Be careful. Oh no, he climbed into the car and stole the car and left.
Okay.
Huh?
Oh no!
Hello!
Yeah, the green light is back on. Let's go.
Hey, 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 hey!
No, it's a red light again.
Hello!
Hey, you! Stop!
La-la-la-la-la-la. La-la-la-la-la-la.
Stop! Look out! What happened? Oh my gosh!
The police car is still chasing the car thief.
Look out!
I'm sorry, I'm chasing the criminal.
Hey, you!
Bye, have a great time.
Oh!
Are you okay? I will help you.
Nope.
The police showed up to save the thief from the pond. Come on. Oh no, the thief fell out of the car again.
Yeah!
Bye, have a great time.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas, everybody!
Vehicles are circulating normally on the new bridge. Wow! The crane truck is dropping the tow rope to pull the wooden slats onto the truck. The first piece of wood was loaded onto the truck's trunk. They continue to pull the next piece of wood up.
Okay, let's go!
The crane is filling the trunk. Oh yeah, the trunk is full.
Okay, let's go!
Hey, 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 hey! La-la-la-la-la-la-la. La-la-la-la-la-la. La-la-la-la-la.
Oh no, a tornado is approaching the bridge. The car came closer to the bridge.
Oh no! Oh my gosh!
After receiving the call that they needed help, the rescue vehicle team quickly set out to rescue.
Go, 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 go!
At this time, the crane is also on its way.
La-la-la-la-la. La-la-la-la-la.
All vehicles were present at the rescue call location.
Hello!
They started pulling the blue truck up first, watching the rescue process.
Hooray!
Next, let's see how the process of rescuing a damaged vehicle will take place.
Let's go!
Go, go, go!
Wow! The crane is pulling the bridge that was blown away by the wind back to its original place.
Hey, 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 hey!
The bridge has been brought back to the correct position. Vehicles can now cross the bridge normally.
Bye, have a great time.